So a lot of people crack their fingers, crack their back, crack their necks. Is that actually good for you?
I think everyone's parents told them it's going to mess up your joints or whatever, you're going to get arthritis.
Yeah.
That's been pretty much debunked. There's actually a cool study where a guy did imaging on his hand knuckles, and then he popped one hand for years and years and not the other, and then he did imaging again, and he won a big aura, but it didn't change. Like, his joints were the same. And if you think about it, when you go in to see a practitioner and they adjust or manipulate your spine, they're literally popping your facet joints in your spine, which are about the size of your knuckles. So they're literally doing the thing that your parents told you not to do to your hand. They're doing it to you for a treatment. So yeah, it's been pretty much debunked that even if you're popping yourself, it doesn't seem to damage anything. It appears that it's just this pressure release in the joint.